guys, what's up? Here Marshmallow back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you recently added fidgets to my collection. Here's my bin of fidgets. So yeah. So first, I went to Dollarama to get most of these, by the way. First, I got this squishy with some sprinkles. I really like it because it has texture, sprinkles, and it's a nice squishy. So yeah. Next from Dollar Tree, I got this egg putty slime. Egg putty. I know putties are fidgets, so I just decided to get an egg putty. It's gold and glittery. And I know this is a short video. Last thing I got from Dollarama, I did get a sucker. Last thing I got from Dollarama is this dough ball. Not really a dough ball because it has some air in it, not a lot. It has the texture and feeling of a dough ball. See, just some air, not a lot of air. Mostly doughs. Okay, so the next fidget that's been added is this. It's huge. Yeah, I really like it. It does get dirty really easily. Sometimes I leave it dirty until it's gross and disgusting. Then I finally wash it. Next, I have this scrunchie, and by the way, I got this from Mastermind toys. There are only a few left. I have this scrunchie. I know they're not really fidgets, but they're kind of fidgets. And do you know what I like to do with that? I like to put my finger through it, do this. Like, I like to fidget with it like that. So, yeah. Oh, and I got one more thing that I actually let my mom use that I actually never got to use before. So, I'm going to show you. It's this blue stress ball to go along with the other three. So yeah, this is the new blue one. Yeah, so I'm just going to flip it around the camera and show you all the fidgets that I got. Here, scrunchie, dough ball, air stress ball, putty, squishy, and other squishy. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Till next time, goodbye.